Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Monday, May the 13th, 2013. Here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is down 30.5 points. The CompQ is actually positive, leading the way today, up 8.5 points. The Russell 2000 is finally back positive. We're trying to chopping up around here, this positive and negative area. The previous day's close here, it's up pretty much flat, up 21 cents on the rut. S&P is up a point or so, making new highs for the year by, let's see, made new highs here by about 3.25. All right. Either way, it's trading at 16.31.5 right now in the futures. The VIX is still up today, up 8 cents, pulled off of the highs, of course. Commodities are a little bit weak today. USO's down 18 cents, GLD's down 90 cents, GDX down 70 cents, JJC copper down 23 cents, silver's pretty much flat, down 6 cents. We're seeing some strength in the biotechs, the financials, the healthcare stocks today, and we're seeing some weakness in the coal stocks, the gold miners, and the semiconductor stocks, and some of the material stocks. Dollar strong, euro weak, but that does not matter for the market. The market's still chugging along higher here. We had a little flashback pullback this morning like we normally do, and then buyers came right back in. You can see here 16.2550 was S1, some overnight support. S2 16.24, S3 was 16.22. They pulled us down to 16.24 S2 support, and then they bought us right back up, and again we made new highs. So we'll see. Trend is definitely to the top side again. Nasdaq's leading the way. If you take a look at the 5-minute chart, we had this little upward channel to gauge the market off of right here. They shook us below the little upward channel that we were holding from 6 o'clock this morning. Took us to new highs, traded us sideways a bit, held us above the open price, and that's when the momentum came back in, and now we're kind of pulling back right now. So we'll see how the afternoon turns out. But I would assume that they're probably going to let the market fade back a bit and try to get some dip buyers action in there and continue this market moving higher. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these ETFs here for the market. For some of you guys that watch those, SPY dipped down to 162.90, back above yesterday's highs. Friday's highs around 163.5 and made new highs for the year around 163.81. Again, the Nasdaq is leading the way here on the triple Qs. You can see the triple Qs continue to make their way higher above that 50% Fibonacci retracement from the tech bubble sell-off that I discussed in the weekend review video. And here now we're making new highs for the year on the triple Q 73.30. Russell 2000 is lagging a bit today. The IWM here consolidated a bit between this 96.72 opening price and this little base around 96.61. High for the day is 97.10. Maybe see if we can try to pull back a bit, hold above the previous day's close and look for a move right back to the highs. So we'll see how it plays out. Aside from that, as far as some stock ideas go there, you can see JC Penney gapped up on an upgrade, I believe it was this morning. They have earnings coming out on Friday. Stock is doing nothing. Another stock that's we were watching today to see if it was going to be in play was MCP. Faded it all the way down to our S2 level around 7. Got a nice little bounce, and then now it's just kind of consolidating right now. Keeping on the MCP. Strong stocks, of course. You should be able to catch a nice little bounce in the state. The market decides to trade, state trading how it is. You should be able to catch a nice little bounce in this. So watch it over this 740 area. Sears gave a nice opportunity trade. We discussed the Sears trade in the morning in the chat room. We talked about Sears buying the dip on Sears. Sears put all the way back down to our S2 level around 55.20 and gave you a nice little bounce from 55.20 all the way back up to 56.73. So about $1.50 right there. But aside from that, not seeing anything too crazy. Netflix is up 11 bucks if I'm not mistaken. That's another trade that's up. Apple's up $6 from the open. Amazon's trading strong, so we're seeing some strength in some of these tech sector stocks here. So that's about it, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you guys after the close for the after the bell market summary. If you have not been to our website yet, check it out, wallstreettrading.com. To get access to the chat room, you have to fill out the form on the right-hand side, and you'll get the email, you get the credentials emailed to you to log in. Have a good day. Cheers.